Sorry about the phone call interruption. Let's continue where we left off. So what we reached was the fact that our 242,000 figure was an equivalent of 111%. We needed to find our 2018 figure, which is the 100% value. So what we were challenging ourselves is, how do we get from 111% to 100%? Not easy. This is a calculator job. So my tip is, if you divide by 111 to get to 1 and times by 100, you then reach 100%. And then we can do the same with this. So if I divide it by 111 and times by 100, I find that my 2018 visitors to Legoland were in fact 218,018. So the key to remember solving this type of problem is we're looking to get to the 100% value. If it's a percentage increase that we're given, we add it on to 100. Now, what about if it's a percentage decrease that we're given? Well, let's just have a quick look at a typical type of exam question that might be coming our way. So in a sale now, we might be told that a pair of trainers they're now $45.99 in the sale, and that's after they've been reduced by 35%. Okay, so they've been reduced by 35% to the new price of $45.99, and the question we might be asked is, well, what was the original price? In other words, before they were put in the sale. Okay, now this time, because they've been reduced by 35%, we take that away from our 100. So let's have a look. So we would say now that the £45.99 in percentage terms is equivalent to what? And you're going to say to me, well, actually, if the original price, remember, is always 100%, or the original value, it's been reduced by that. So now that, the sale price must, in percentage terms, equate to 65%. And obviously, we need to know what the 100% price is, because that's the original. So how do I get from 65% to 100%? Same principle, divide by itself, times by 100. I have to do the same there, divide by 65, times by 100. And when we do that, it tells us that the original price of our trainers was £70.75. And remember, the key to all this, the original value that we're being asked is always the 100% value. That's what we've got to get to. And when we're decreasing, we take our 35% away to give us an equivalent starting point of 65%. And that's it.